Hey guys, it's Oscar here. So, quick and honest review on these Bruno Marc men's dress loafers. These are some slip on loafers, and they're like casual loafers, but they can also look very, very classy. They have three different colors, but I chose the black one because I feel like it's the classiest. And I was in a desperate need for some new loafers, and I must say, I was very impressed by the high quality of these loafers. I feel like you could never go wrong with a classic pair of loafers, and these are just the perfect pair to have in your closet. You can dress them up or dress them down, and I just feel like a good loafer looks super classy in any kind of outfit. I also love how they're super versatile. You can wear them to the office or wear them on a day to day basis. And they just have like this sleek upper features and a sleep on design with a metal bit detail, which is super classy. And these are just also some classic moccasin toe with a hand-sewn construction ensures that long-lasting wear. So these are going to last for a very, very long time because overall the construction of the shoe, you can tell it's super, super high quality. These are also made out of these breathable leather and this fabric lining and lightly cushioned latex leather covered footbed. So another super plus about these loafers is that they're super comfortable. And it has this modest heel with a flexible and durable PVC outsole for added support and stability. So this is another close up. And of course, they're easy slip on construction business casual loafers, and you can style them however you like. And overall, they're super comfortable. They look great, they feel great, they're high quality, and I mean, who doesn't love a good pair of loafers? So I would totally recommend this ones. They are great.